Hi, this is Bruin's 20th week update. Oh, he's big. Oh!
This week we brought Bruin to a dog show. We got to socialize him around large crowds and a bunch of strange dogs. He did really good. He was very calm and didn't pull for any of the people. And it was generally a pretty good time for him, I think. He was really tired after that day. We also got to see some fancy Rottweilers and some English Mastiffs. It was pretty cool. That one was like 230 pounds. Huge. There's some more of the fancy Rottweilers. The other thing that happened this week is that Bruin's been spitting out all his puppy teeth. So you can see there, these are his big boy teeth up front, and his fangs are coming in. Right there is the start of his adult fang. He's getting his big boy Rottweiler shark teeth.
Hi, it's time for Bruin's 20-week weigh-in. So just myself without Bruin is 224.4, and with Bruin $286.6. Meaning that he weighs 62.2 pounds at 20 weeks. Thanks for watching. See you next week.
Your birds. What are you doing? Are you shutting the kettle? Really? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? 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 Yeah, what? What? Who is that? Who is that? Look, look. See Daddy? See Daddy, Papa? So I'm not Papa. I'm not Papa. No, I'm not.